Hello, aviation enthusiasts and professionals. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: why the aviation industry should consider adopting AI-powered LMS. We'll delve into the benefits and features that make this technology a game changer for training and development in the aviation sector. But before that, let's understand what AI-powered LMS is and why it's gaining traction in the aviation industry. AI-powered LMS for the aviation industry is a technology solution that incorporates AI to enhance and optimize training and learning processes within the aviation sector. When AI is integrated into an LMS tailored for the aviation industry, it brings several innovative features and benefits. Here are some features of an AI-powered LMS for the aviation industry: virtual reality integration, realistic simulations, continuous learning, course management, multi-tenant support, collaborative learning API integrations, micro-learning gamification. Let's explore the benefits of an aviation industry LMS. Efficient training management, adaptive learning paths, realistic simulations, time and cost savings, personalized learning, predictive analytics, cost and time efficiency, interactive and engaging content. AI-powered learning management systems are revolutionizing training in the aviation industry. From virtual reality integration to realistic simulations, the benefits and features are truly transformative. If you're intrigued by the possibilities of an AI-powered LMS in the aviation industry and want to see it in action, don't hesitate to book a personalized demonstration. Click the link in the description to schedule your exclusive demo. Experience firsthand how AI can elevate your training programs and take your aviation expertise to new heights. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and share it with your fellow aviation enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.